ऑनेस्टली प्रोफेशनली बिगिनर हो तो आप भी समझ पाओ। कोड मैक स्टूडियो फिक्स ever walked into the Mac store and the makeup artist over there is like, ma'am NC40 try कर लो आपका शेड है, right? And you're like, makeup है या maths? Trust me, I have been there, clueless but एक perfect base चाहती थी। आज की इस वीडियो में we are going to discuss everything related to Mac. Hi everybody, this is Neha Devgan. If you are new here, I give you honest and unsponsored reviews, and today I'm going to break it down all honestly, professionally, and everything that a beginner needs to understand about Mac foundations. इस वीडियो में मैंने Mac की सारी वेराइटीज ट्राई करी हैं जो कि बेस्ट सेलिंग हैं। सबके शेड्स में आपको दिखाऊंगी, स्वॉचेस दिखाऊंगी, and we are going to discuss everything about them. Now on your screen are the details of the topics I have discussed in this video, and these are in this particular order only. Mac has everything: formulas, shades, pro performance, loved by fashion weeks, bridal glams, makeup artists throughout the world, but it is still a mystery for everyday people like us. I feel there are many reasons for it, and some of them are: first, shade variety; second, there is not much information available on Indian Mac website, and third, no range shade is similar to the other range. For example, if you want to buy NC40 in Studio Fix foundation, the shade NC40 is not going to be same for Studio Radiance foundation. So that's why sometimes we end up buying wrong shades for ourselves. To make this video very easy and understandable, मैं गई Mac की वेबसाइट पे जो कि Mac Canada और Mac UK की वेबसाइट थी, and trust me, I found out उन पे काफी information थी to find out your shades. That's why it took me days to make this video. Now in this video, I have reviewed these 5 foundations of Mac. सबसे पहले बात करेंगे Mac Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15. Mac has reformulated this foundation. पहले इस फाउंडेशन के साथ पंप भी नहीं आता था। Studio Fix में ना मेरे पास टोटल 6 शेड्स हैं, जिनके सबके मैं आपको स्वॉचेस दिखा रही हूँ। I have done wear test as well. Studio Fix को तो मैंने 12 to 15 आवर्स भी वेयर करके देखा है। Studio Fix Fluid की अगर बात की जाए तो ये लिक्विड फाउंडेशन है, सॉफ्ट मैट फिनिश देता है, मीडियम टू फुल बिल्डेबल कवरेज है इसकी, ऑयली, कॉम्बिनेशन और नॉर्मल स्किन पे चलेगा। कंपनी क्लेम करती है दैट इट विल स्टे अप टू 24 आवर्स। इट इज ऑयल कंट्रोल फॉर्मूला विद हाइलुरोनिक एसिड, कैफीन एंड रेड एल्गी। इसके अंदर किसी तरीके की फ्रेग्रेंस नहीं है, एंड इट इज नॉन कोमिडोजेनिक एज वेल, एंड दीज आर द रिजल्ट्स. 8:01 PM. Let's talk about Mac Studio Fix NC37. When you apply it a little bit, तो swatch तो हमेशा it's denser, right? क्योंकि बहुत सारा प्रोडक्ट ऐसे लगा है, तो इसे थोड़ा सा स्प्रेड करके देखेंगे. So I feel it has oxidized to 1 tone or maybe 1.5 tone. My T-zone is oily, lot of shine. The foundation has broken out a little bit on the nose area. Now I also feel there is texture appearing on this part. If you can see, this has become shiny. The foundation has started to give a little bit of foundation-y feeling. I'm gonna give you a minute to observe. The foundation has done nothing about my pores. Like मेरे pores blurred भी नहीं लग रहे हैं और over भी नहीं लग रहे हैं. Just अब थोड़ा सा oily लग रहा है. Also considering the fact कि मैंने Huda Beauty का Easy Blur Primer लगाया था, and that's it. I'm not considering under the eye area because under the eye में मैंने दूसरे कंसीलर्स लगाए थे, फाउंडेशन नहीं लगाया था. यहाँ लगाया था और यहाँ बिल्कुल भी फाउंडेशन मेरा फटा नहीं है. तो ये फाउंडेशन बहुत अच्छे से स्टे करता है. मेरा रेटिनॉल स्किन है विच आई कैन से कि ड्राई पार्ट पे आता है, तो मैंने एम्ब्रॉयडरीज यूज करी थी इसके साथ समर्स में भी, बट एम्ब्रॉयडरीज मैंने बहुत थोड़ी सी लगाई थी. कंसिडरिंग द फैक्ट अगर इसके साथ मैं मिल्क ग्रिप प्राइमर लगाऊं तो शायद थोड़ा और लंबा ये चल सकता है. सेपरेशन की अगर बात करते हैं तो यहाँ जो सेपरेशन हुई है ये मुझे लगता है कि शायद मैंने थोड़ा सा और, अगर मैं किसी और का मेकअप कर रही होती थोड़ा और ध्यान दिया होता तो ये स्टे करता, अच्छी तरीके से लगाया होता तो स्टे करता। अदरवाइज वी कैन वर्क ऑन दिस एरिया विद कंसीलर्स ओनली। मेरी जो ब्राइड्स होती हैं जिनका फाउंडेशन नोज से हटता है ना, उनके नोज पे हम ज्यादातर कंसीलर से काम करते हैं, पाउडरिंग करते हैं, फिर कंसीलर लगाते हैं, फिर पाउडरिंग करते हैं। ये शाइन देख रहे हो ना यहाँ पे, ये मेरे हाइलाइटर की शाइन है, फाउंडेशन के अंदर इतनी शाइन नहीं है। जब मैंने इसे लगाया था तब भी इतनी शाइन नहीं थी फाउंडेशन के अंदर। सेमाई मैट फिनिश ही देता है फाउंडेशन, बिल्कुल भी ड्यूई फिनिश तो ये नहीं देता है। ओके, स्टिकी फीलिंग नहीं आती है, ऑयली स्किन पे भी चलेगा, ड्राई स्किन पे थोड़ा सा मॉइस्चराइज कर लो चलेगा, विंटर्स में भी ये चलेगा, बस प्रेपिंग एंड प्राइमिंग अच्छे से कर लेना। तो फाउंडेशन में कहती हूँ ये ऑल सीजन फाउंडेशन है। इनफैक्ट मैंने खुद धूप में पूरा माउंटेन ट्रैक करके इस फाउंडेशन को चेक किया है, फाउंडेशन स्टे करता है। अगर ओवरऑल रेट करूं तो पर्सनल मेकअप वैनिटी के लिए इट इज 8 आउट ऑफ 10 एंड प्रोफेशनल मेकअप वैनिटी के लिए इट कैन बी 5.5 और 6 आउट ऑफ 10। यहाँ पे एक फैक्ट आपको बताती हूँ कि मैं अभी तक अपनी लाइफ में NC40 अप्लाई करके चल रही थी, बट आपका शेड भी चेंज होता है धीरे धीरे अगर आप स्किन केयर ज्यादा करने लगो। या फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन समर्स वी टेंड टू लुक अ लिटिल डार्क बट इन विंटर्स वी लुक अ लिटिल लाइटर, राइट? ऑल्सो इफ NC37 इज सूटिंग मी, हो सकता है आपको लाइट शेड भी सूट करे एंड देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी देयर विल बी अ डार्कर शेड फॉर यू एज वेल। MAC has a lot of foundations in medium range. Every number in medium range varies. Now NC40 also doesn't look that bad on me. I like to use it with concealers. So that's why लोगों को confusion होता है MAC को choose करने में. It's really important to go to the store and then select a foundation. Sensitive skin वालों को patch test करके ही लेना चाहिए because it has some possible irritants. Going on to the next one. Next is MAC Studio Radiance Serum Powered Foundation. If you're looking for satiny, glowy finish, then this is the foundation for you. Studio Radiance Serum Powered Foundation की अगर बात की जाए तो ये लिक्विड फाउंडेशन है जो कि सीरम इन्फ्यूज्ड है, रेडिएंट और ग्लोई फिनिश देता है, मीडियम टू बिल्डेबल फॉर्मूला है इसका, ड्राई, नॉर्मल और मैच्योर स्किन तीनों पे चलेगा। इसके अंदर 10% हाइलुरोनिक एसिड है, ऑयल्स हैं और एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स हैं। ये स्किन को प्लम्प करता है, हाइड्रेट करता है, स्वेट और वाटरप्रूफ है। ग्लोई स्किन देने के लिए ड्राई वेदर में और डेली वियर में ये बहुत ही अच्छा फाउंडेशन है। 4600 रुपीज का ये मिलता है 30 ml में। द स्किन लुक्स हेल्दी, स्किन लाइक एंड इट हाइड्रेट्स वेल। बट अगर आपकी ऑयली स्किन है तो आप उसे पाउडर से सेट करोगे, सिर्फ आपको मीडियम कवरेज देगा। तो अगर आपकी थोड़ी ज्यादा पिगमेंटेशन है, थोड़े ज्यादा डार्क सर्कल्स हैं, you will have to use a concealer. It's dermatologist tested for sensitive skin. Amazing, right? There is a little bit of fragrance in this foundation. So a little bit of patch test is needed, I feel, although this is dermatologically tested. If you have pigmentation, आपको थोड़ा build करना पड़ेगा. For textured skin people, they will have to powder their skin. Oily skin people will have to powder their skin to set this foundation. Amazing foundation for everyday use because it has skincare ingredients as well. But don't do your skincare with a foundation. So basically this can be a good choice for people who are looking for an everyday foundation and a little bit of radiance in their foundation as well. Now this foundation can oxidize up to 1 tone. Now let's talk about MAC Studio Fix Everywhere All Over Face Pen. Now this one is Bhumi Pednekar's favorite. I've seen her applying this one a lot of times, so I bought it, and the shade I bought in this one is NC40. Now this is like a twist up pen foundation concealer. It has natural matte finish. This can be used as medium to full coverage, but minded it has no sheer coverage. It is very thick foundation. I didn't find it that it is a thin foundation. I've seen influencers talking about it that it's thin, but it's not at all a thin foundation. It is amazing for touch-ups and okay for all skin types, because foundations which are very thick can look sometimes really bad, or maybe applied nicely can look great as well. So you will have to figure out a way to apply these foundations. 36-hour wear, transfer proof, waterproof. pen with hyaluronic acid and caffeine. This one is amazing for travels, for events, for quick fixes. Retails for rupees 4000 for 12 ml only. And I feel 12 ml इसलिए भी है क्योंकि you only need very little to apply on your face. But if you have heavier pigmentation, this can really help you. For this foundation, I can only say it's a very professional foundation and very टारगेटेड ऑडियंस फाउंडेशन बिकॉज आई फील जिनकी पिगमेंटेशन ज़्यादा है या जिन्हें कवरेज ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती है उनके लिए फाउंडेशन अच्छा है बट इट्स नॉट ग्रेट फॉर मेच्योर स्किन आई फील इतना ड्राइंग है फॉर ड्राई स्किन ऑल्सो आई फील दे विल हैव टू मॉइस्चराइज अलॉट सो यू विल हैव टू वर्क अलॉट विद दिस फाउंडेशन वोंट वर्क फॉर यू बट यू विल हैव टू वर्क एज पर दिस फाउंडेशन आई फील कि इसको आपको मैक स्टोर में जाके समझना पड़ेगा or you must be having some professional knowledge or you can buy it, use it 3 to 4 times and then you will understand how you can use this foundation. एक और चीज़ है, I have seen many influencers talking about this foundation as in like, you know, it's full coverage, you can just apply it. The foundation tends to turn gray because sometimes we have a lot of pigmentation over here but we don't have pigmentation over here, right? So the foundation can look really grayish over here if we buy a shade which is matching this shade, right? तो आपको ये समझना पड़ेगा कि आपको कंसीलर एक पतला यूज़ करना पड़ेगा इस फाउंडेशन के साथ माइंडेड आप मोटा कंसीलर भी नहीं यूज़ कर सकते क्योंकि अगर आपने इसकी भी थिक लेयर लगाई और कंसीलर भी थिक लेयर का यूज़ किया then it will definitely look very patchy, very thick, too messy I feel. This foundation is tricky but amazing. So अच्छा तरीका यही है कि मैक स्टोर जाओ वहाँ जाके ट्राई करते रहो and then buy it one day. Don't buy it on the same day. Now let's talk about MAC Strobe Dewy Skin Tint Illuminator. इसको ना मैंने उस दिन लगाया था जिस दिन there was no electricity throughout the day and I kept on wearing this one. Trial was really hard. I faced little bit of challenges with it. I've only powdered it on the under eye area on the T-zone and when I went to, you know, I was giving some classes in Delhi and the weather was really hot over there and there was no electricity as well. So you can see how it performed on my skin during the video. It's like a tinted moisturizer. It's dewy, it's glossy, it's very sheer. It's amazing for dry, normal and sensitive skin. This is like a skincare and glow in one. It has glycerin, shea butter, niacinamide. It has no parabens and no fragrance at all. This will give you no makeup look but naturally glowy. In daily light you will feel like you are shining. But if you have textures wherever on your skin, it can accentuate the texture. So powder there wherever you have open pores or acne. Very moisturizing, gives you a fresh glow, but I feel this is not amazing for oily skin people and people with textured skin. Also, it's not great for people who like coverage, even medium coverage. I think you will have to use a little bit of concealer with it if you even want like sheer to medium coverage. This is almost like a serum only. That's why it's named as tinted moisturizer. Now let's talk about MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation Compact. This one is newly launched and I really love the packaging. I ordered this one in shade NC42 as per the shade reference given by MAC, and I told you that, you know, there is very big difference between shades in each range. तो इसका मैंने NC42 मंगाया था because MAC's site was saying whatever your shade is in Studio Fix, you will have to order 2 to 3 shades darker in this one. Okay? खरीदने से पहले ही मैंने इसके बारे में काफ़ी स्टडी कर ली थी and the study says it is not the same anymore. Although I have old MAC compact as well. I used to keep this lighter shade in my vanity for quick fixes for my brides. So I'm gonna show you the difference between both the compacts today. Now first one is as per the coverage. Old MAC Studio Fix was always able to cover everything. It was like one and done sort of a formula. But this, the newer one, is non-cakey, comes with a lesser coverage. Okay, it looks beautiful on my hand, it's very smooth, but it is not the older formula. Right now I feel in the market powders are coming in terms of there has to be no talc. पुराने वाले में टैल्क था, इसमें टैल्क नहीं है. The markets are focusing on no talc formula because there is a lot of fuss about talc creating a lot of diseases and everything. Also, people are liking very thin formula these days. तो अगर आप full coverage foundation लगा रहे हो or if you're a medium coverage person, then you won't want a product which can look too heavy or which can look too much. So basically आप ऐसे समझ लो कि पहले we used to use this only to cover our full face sometimes when we want the makeup on the go, but right now this foundation, the new compact foundation, has turned into something which can be used on the top of the foundation that you are applying, and it will give you makeup setting properties, right? It will make your makeup look smoother, it will give you no flashbacks, and it will set fast as well. These are the properties of this new MAC Compact. I think there can be two opinions about it. First, there are people who only wanted coverage from this. Now it is not serving that anymore. You will have to apply it 2 times to get that sort of a coverage. Whereas people who were only looking for a powder compact, this is serving that. So this is serving looks, this is serving natural beauty with skincare, everything this is serving, but just coverage wise it is not the same anymore. And why I'm repeating this, because cult classic lovers of MAC Compact are not really happy with it. Whereas if you'll ask, in my opinion, I think it's great. It's not bad at all. Why? Because anything which updates and which can give you, I used to always buy Charlotte Tilbury compacts because it used to be very thinner. I don't want the powder to look too cakey, too patchy, because usko bhi set karne ke liye then you have to fix a lot of Fix Plus and stuff like that if you're doing professional makeup or your makeup. Everybody is using foundation these days. So you can definitely buy this powder to fix your base with this, right? But if you are only a lover of only applying compacts, which I feel used to happen back in 2000s when we used to fix our face with Krylons and everything, right? We can just apply a little bit of concealer and then apply it, and then we can get sorted. So that's it. That's my opinion about this product. I think we should keep on updating with the market trends as well. People are focusing on their skincare, people are focusing a lot on the skincare ingredients, a lot on no flashbacks, a lot on photography. So why not? Why not? I'm happy for this one. ऑयली और कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन दोनों पे चलेगा. पतला फॉर्मूला है तो केकअप नहीं करेगा, ऑयल कंट्रोल करेगा, मेकअप को सेट करेगा. आप इसे वेट और ड्राई दोनों तरीके से यूज कर सकते हो. क्विक टचअप्स के लिए, ऑयली स्किन के लिए या ऑन द गो के लिए बेस्ट फ्रेंड है ये आपका. दिस रिटेल्स फॉर 3500 रुपीज अप्रोक्सीमेटली, गिव्स यू स्मूथ फिनिश. बट ड्राई स्किन वाले अगर इसे ऐसे ही लगा लेंगे then it can look powdery on their skin. Now this is a formula which can be used with a wet sponge or dry sponge. If you are using it with a sponge, then definitely you are using it for building a coverage on your face. With wet sponge you will get more coverage, with dry sponge you will get less coverage. Also with brush you will get a more setting powder sort of a finish. So this is like a multi-use product for you. So here on the screen now you can find out a quick cheat sheet to all foundations. If you want full glam plus long wear foundation, then you can opt for Studio Fix Fluid. If you want some skincare and a little bit of glow, you can always go ahead with Radiance Serum Foundation. If you need a pen for quick fix and little bit more coverage, then all over face pen can be your buddy. And if you have oily skin, if you want a little bit of touch up and a little bit of coverage as well, Studio Fix Powder Plus can be your friend. And when you are in need of little bit of glow and no makeup look, Strobe Dewy Skin Tint can be your friend. Now as per MAC, there is a 5-step routine to find your own shade, and this I found on MAC UK website. In step 1, they are explaining how MAC shades are defined, their letters and their numbers. The letter represents your undertones. Now, for example, W are the undertones which are defined as rosy. C is for golden and N is for neutral, which is like an equal balance of both. Whereas if there is a number beside these, then it will be up to 65, which represents the depth of the shade. The lower the number, the lighter the shade, and the higher the number, the richer is the shade. Now in step 2, you have to figure out your undertone. Like they told you, warmer, cooler and neutral undertones are there. If you don't really have any information about it, there is simple explanation that is given on your screen, and if you want to know in depth, I have made a separate video about it on my channel. I'm tagging it here in the iCard and in the description as well. वहाँ जाके you will be able to understand that what your undertone is. Okay. Step 3 is finding your shade depth. Now there is very simple difference between undertone and shade depth. Shade depth होता है जैसी आपकी skin ऊपर से दिखती है. For example, I'm looking fair to medium right now, right? But what you can't see right now is the undertone of my skin tone, and that is understood by warmth and coolness in your skin tone. Correct? तो शेड हम कैसे पता लगाएंगे? जिसे हम बोलते हैं फेयर, मीडियम, डीप, राइट? वो शेड डेप्थ होता है. और जब भी हम कहते हैं कूल अंडरटोन या वार्म अंडरटोन, दैट्स योर अंडरटोन. आई होप यू गॉट द पॉइंट. नाउ इन स्टेप 4, मैक आपको बोलता है कि अगर आपका कोई अपना फाउंडेशन है, देन यू कैन अपलोड द शेड नंबर एंड फाइंड द वेराइटी इन देयर फाउंडेशंस. बट if you don't have any, then you can virtually apply their shades and then check which one is looking great on you. यहाँ पे इंडिया में रोल आता है, you can walk up to the store and then try the foundations rather than trying it online. Or maybe you can get a fair idea at home and then you can walk up to the store with 2 to 3 final shades that you like and then buy it. Step 5 is choosing your finish and formula. Now finish and formula are like everyday use के लिए चाहिए, or maybe you need it for the party or glam or bridal makeup, right? What is your skin type? For example, if I have oily skin, then I would need a mattifying foundation. ये भी जानने के लिए I have a particular video on my channel. You can go and check out that video. Why I am saying this again and again? Because I want to clear your concepts. So काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाते हैं आपकी अंडरटोन्स पहचानना, आपके शेड की डेप्थ पहचानना, आपका फॉर्मूला और फिनिश पहचानना. ये 3 पॉइंट्स आपको ध्यान रखने हैं while choosing not only a MAC foundation but any other foundation. Now let's decode undertone language of MAC. जनरली सारे ब्रांड्स में अंडरटोन जो होती है, वार्म इज येलो अंडरटोन एंड कूल इज लाइक पिंक अंडरटोन, बट मैक थोड़ा उल्टा पुल्टा है. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दिस. Neutral cool is golden and yellow undertone, which they denoted as NC. Neutral warm, which is NW, is pink and rosy undertone. And C is cool, which is olive or muted undertones, which is very, very rare. So if you have warm undertone, which most of the Indians have, then you will pick a shade which says NC. And depth of the shade will be 20, 25, NC40, NC45, whatever your depth is. And if you look rosy or flushy, then you will pick NW. Okay? For final thoughts, I want to say a few things to you which are really important. So please consider these points when I'm talking about these points. First, your undertone, your shade and your texture is very important. तो आपको उन पे ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. ऐसे आप कोई भी फाउंडेशन चूज नहीं कर सकते हो. सेकेंड, आई फील देर इज an aura of MAC that we feel, or a beginner feels like, that you can't walk up to the MAC store and can't ask for samples. There is nothing like that. In fact, मेरी राय अगर आप मानो, never buy a foundation on the same day. जिस दिन आप MAC store जाते हो, apply a foundation, ask somebody to apply a foundation of your undertone. उनसे जितनी information ले सकते हो, ask them to give you as much information about your undertone, your skin tone. Apply several shades on your face, applied several varieties on your face, see how it looks, and don't buy it on the same day. Keep on wearing it throughout the day and test the foundation. Then you can go after 2 to 3 days, make up your mind and then buy the foundation. On that day, you can also test multiple foundations and then buy a foundation. There is no problem. We are paying them. You can always buy a foundation when you test it. I am telling you, there is so much competition in the market, and MAC people are really good. They are not going to say anything to you. They are not looking at you with the judgmental eyes. You can try as many foundations as you want and then buy the foundation. And in fact, on that day, मैं फिर भी आपको बोलूँगी, if you are going in summers, take one shade lighter sample with you so that when winter strikes, then if you are going a little lighter, you can mix that shade and make your shade. Or if you're going in winter, buy a little darker shade, like one dark shade. That's it. That's how you can test your foundation. MAC के केस में इसलिए MAC अच्छा है क्योंकि it is professionally known. Why a foundation gets professionally known? Because they have a lot of shade variety with them. A lot of shade variety के साथ आता है confusion. A lot of shade variety के साथ आता है options. ऑप्शंस और कंफ्यूजन सब कुछ मिलके हमें कंफ्यूज ही करती है. ऐसे केस में हमें हमेशा जाके ट्राई करना चाहिए एंड देन ओनली बाय योर फाउंडेशन. आई फील फाउंडेशन इज अ थिंग विच कैन मेक योर गेम और ब्रेक योर गेम. सो मेक श्योर you are going to the store and then buying it only. इस वीडियो में मैंने आपको हर चीज की इंफॉर्मेशन दी है. अगर आप इन डेप्थ इंफॉर्मेशन लेना चाहते हो, you can walk up to these videos. सबके डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैं लिंक्स डाल दूंगी. Watch those videos. If you still have any questions, come up to me and I'll answer all your questions. Be a part of my community and understand things in a brutally honest manner, in unsponsored way, and with all the experience that I have. I love to share with you guys. If you have liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel with your friends. Hit the bell icon so that I can keep on popping up on your feed and can keep on sharing such unsponsored reviews. Okay? On this note, this is Neha Devgan saying bye-bye.